Hi everyone, welcome to Advanced Problems video. In this video, we are going to solve some problems that are related to the graphics of quadratic equation. There are two problems. Look at the problems carefully and try to solve it for yourself, okay? Again, please try to solve it for yourself. In 7 seconds, the solution part will appear. Here is the first problem. In order to solve this problem, there are two important things that you should know. First, if the angle of two linear functions is 90 degrees, their multiplication of slopes must be -1. And if a linear function is tangent to the quadratic function, the discriminant of a system of two equations should be equal to 0. Based on this, let's define two linear functions as y equals to ax plus k and y equals to minus x over a plus k. Then, the coordinate of a point P is 0, k, right? And they are tangent to the quadratic function. So, we need to compute the discriminant of two cases respectively. Let's compute the first case. If we compute the system, we can get this equation. Their discriminant should be 0, so we get this first equation. Likewise, if we compute the second case and their discriminant, we get this second equation, okay? By solving two equations will give us the value a. A is 1 or -1. Anything is okay, okay? So, if we put it into one of two equations, one of two blue equations, we can get to know that the value of k is -1 over 4. So, two linear functions are like this, and the point P is 0, -1 over 4. Therefore, the length AP is 5 over 4. This is the solution to the problem. Please remember two tips that I mentioned, okay? If it is clear, then let's move to the next question. Here is the second problem. There are also some tips that you should know. When the angle between the linear function and the x-axis is 30 degrees, the slope of the linear function is 1 over square root 3. Okay? Next tip. You should know how the given quadratic equation is drawn. In this interval, we can just write the given function without absolute sign. Meanwhile, we should add minus sign when we remove the absolute value in this interval. Okay? Based on this, let's solve the problem. How can they have three intersection points? In order to have three intersection points, they should be tangent at here, right? So, what we need to do is to find out the discriminant of this system of equations. If we compute it, it can be written like this. And their discriminant should be equal to 0 because they are tangent. So we can get k is equal to -1 plus -6 over square root 3. Here, k should be negative value. Otherwise, the quadratic function will be drawn left side of y-axis and it's impossible to have three intersection points. So, k is equal to minus 7 over square root 3. This is the solution to the problem. Is everything clear? That's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching my video. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe button. Then I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.